चेक यो मैन, यो लेट्स गो। तो इस वीडियो से हम बनाने वाले हैं ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट। ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट जिसपे हम काम करने वाले हैं उसका नाम है ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट। इसका मतलब है कि एक ऐसा वेबसाइट जिस पर लोग अपना प्रोडक्ट्स बेच सकते हैं और जो बायर्स है वो अपना अकाउंट क्रिएट करके खरीद भी सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो एक सिंपल ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लाइक एक सिंपल ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट। मैं अब वेट कर रहा मेरे लाइव आने का। यहाँ पे जैसे ही लाइव आता मैं अपना चैट्स पॉपअप करेगा। देन उसके बाद अपन क्या करेंगे, अपन जाएंगे डॉक्यूमेंट्स में, फिर प्रोजेक्ट्स में, लाइव चैट में। इधर जाके हम कर देंगे विंडो डॉट पाइथन का रन करने से पहले लाइव तो आन दो बड़ू, वीडियो का आईडी तो मिलने दो। तो आ गए हम लाइव ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट विद ReactJS। लेट्स गो। होप सो आई एम ऑडिबल, यू आर एबल टू हियर मी। तो इसको मैं करेंगे ऐसे पॉपअप चैट, देन यहाँ से कॉपी करेंगे वीडियो का वीडियो आईडी एंड ओ नहीं, ये काम नहीं करना है मुन्ना 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 मुन्ना। तो ये है वीडियो आईडी, कट करेंगे, पेस्ट करेंगे एंड अब मैं इसे रन करूंगा। मैं रन करूंगा पाइथन न्यू विंडो डॉट py एंटर भयंकर भयंकर। रन करने से पहले मैं एक काम करेगा कि ये जेसन की फाइल में से सारे के सारे चैट्स अपन डिलीट कर देंगे। ठीक है, तो अभी यहाँ पे एक भी चैट नहीं है। मैं टेस्ट करने के लिए एक चैट डाल देगा, हाय लियो। जैसे मैंने हाय लियो डाला, अब यहाँ पे चैट आने से गुड, ग्रेट 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 ग्रेट। तो लेट्स गो बाय क्रिएटिंग अवर ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट विथ, किसके साथ बना ले, बोलो 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 बोलो, ReactJS मुन्ना। तो ReactJS मुन्ना के साथ हम बनाएंगे ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट जो कि फ्रंट एंड। लेकिन फ्रंट एंड पे आने से पहले हम बैक एंड का काम भी करेंगे बेडू। बैक एंड के काम में क्या है वो तो देख लेते हैं। तो बैक एंड के काम में है, अभी देखो अपना क्या बात चलूगा। दो टाइप के यूजर है, एक तो सेलर्स एंड सेकेंड वन इज बायर्स। तो ये बाय करेंगे आप। तो सेलर क्या करेंगे, सिंपल है सेलर का, अपना जो वेबसाइट है उसके ऊपर डिटेल साइन अप करेंगे। ठीक है, साइन अप करेंगे। ठीक है, ये एक पार्ट। दूसरा है वो लॉग इन कर सकते हैं। तीसरा वो अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को ऐड कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो ये तीन काम ये लोग कर सकते, ये जो सेलर है वो कर सकता, साइन अप, लॉग इन एंड प्रोडक्ट्स को ऐड करना। अभी इन सारे चीजों के अंदर एक सेलर के पास अपना खुद का अकाउंट रहेगा। तो मैं क्या बोल रहा था, एक सेलर के पास अपना खुद का अकाउंट रहेगा। तो अकाउंट में क्या अभी क्या डिटेल चाहिए सेलर का, सेलर का कॉन्टैक्ट चाहिए जो कि एडमिन के पास कुछ डेटा रहेगा, और एक नहीं, नॉर्मल यूजर के पास सेलर का डिटेल नहीं रहेगा। नॉर्मल यूजर के पास बस सेलर का नाम एक्सेट्रा रहेगा। तो क्या क्या चाहिए डिटेल अपने को, कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर, देन सेलर का ईमेल, देन सेलर का क्या चाहिए, एड्रेस लेने का, सेलर का एड्रेस कोई चाहिए, ले ले भाई सेलर का एड्रेस भी। तो सेलर का मेरे पास एड्रेस भी रहेगा। और क्या चाहिए सेलर का, कॉन्टैक्ट, ईमेल, एड्रेस, नेम। नेम भी जरूरी है भाई, बिना नेम के कैसे एक सेलर कर सकता है नाम। ठीक है, और कुछ हाइट वेट जान के मैं कुछ करने वाला। दुल्हन नहीं ढूंढ रहे हम, सेलर ढूंढ रहे हैं भाई, सेलर समझा गया, सेलर ढूंढ रहे हैं, दुल्हन। जाते जाते लाइट ऑन कर दे बटना, हम ढूंढ रहे हैं भाई सेलर। ठीक है, कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर, ईमेल एड्रेस एंड नेम। तो ईमेल एड्रेस से अपना ईमेल एड्रेस से वो अपना पासवर्ड वगैरह चेंज कर सकता है। तो पासवर्ड बेडू, पासवर्ड तो सेलर के पास अपना एक अकाउंट रहेगा और उसके पास अपना प्रोजेक्ट रहेगा। ठीक है, प्रोजेक्ट भाई ये क्या बोल रहा है यार, सेलर है वो, कोडर है क्या मेरे जैसा? नहीं, वो एक सेलर है बोल. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm speaking in Hindi. Oh my God, I should be speaking in English because I want to practice my English because I want to target a lot of global, target people global. So sorry, buddies, but let's continue speaking in English rather than Hindi. Not because I don't, it's because I want to target global audience. That's why everyone should understand. People around the world should understand me what I'm trying to say. Yo. And it doesn't matter. Language doesn't matter unless it's English. So let's go. Let's continue. I'm so sorry. I recognize it's now, but hasta la vista. Let's go. Abracadabra, gili gili choo. Node.js and React. मेरा website बना दे तू. So let's go. Contact, email, addresses, name and password. Okay. And another one will be product. In this website, this website will be the biggest website of mine. It will be my own e-commerce website. So it would be really, really big project for me. After this, I won't be creating any project. I think so, but it's in this world, nothing happens according to what we think. So let's see. So a seller would have account, products, these basic demographics. Okay, let's go. And he would be able to sign up, log in, create its add his products, then update, delete, and what we can say. That's it. And then if we talk about his account, he can here also he can be able to update and delete. Okay, so this is a plan, a basic plan for a seller. Now, what about the payments? How the payments are going to happen? It's going to happen like it should be, but I don't have HTTPS for this, so I hope you understand. I hope you understand. Let me see if my chat is working. Check. It's not working. Oh my God, what happened? Every time this happens, this is so ridiculous, bro. Come on, man. This is not good. I don't like it. It's because what happened? After some time it stops working, man. Why is it so? I'm really not able to understand why it just stops working. It should not work like it. Why it's not working? This is so bad. Oh, I'm not able to close it now. What happened? Is this window freeze? Have to close it? Huh. Whatever. I think there's a problem in this, man. So sorry for this. But till I figure the problem, I cannot continue live because, first of all, the audience are important. So rather than me debugging this code, I'll tell ChatGPT, in this code, is it because it's checking for requesting for that for a long? Like if I talk about this thing, update file thing, it's checking, it's requesting very dangerously. So what should I do? Let's see what chat will be there. The issue you are encountering might be due to the fact that you are running an infinite loop in the this to continue check for update and this. Fix this issue, you can consider using a more event-driven approach rather than being on a continuous loop. One way to achieve this is by an after, which allow you to schedule a function to be called after a certain amount of time. It's chats. What the hell is this? Why I'm thinking like I've seen this thing has happened in my dream. Why I don't know. Oh my god, it's so. I think I'm in an illusion, like this thing happened in my brain. Oh, whatever. We'll just rename this function and we'll add another function here. What we have to do is I should not be using this. I directly have to call this function. So I think it should work now. Oh my god, come on. Oh, nice. It's working. Hope so it works for rest of the time. I'll not close the chat. I'll continue with my e-commerce website. So it's okay. Whatever was the problem in that code, in that program, I just close this to consume some resources which I don't want it to consume. So let's get back to the code. So sign up, login, add products, update, and delete. Then what else can a seller do? What else? Yeah, I'll also add for every product. Okay, for every product I will add a review system. Okay, for every product I will add a review system. And how that review will be done? The review can only be done by a buyer who have actually purchased that product, rather than anyone giving that review. Only a person who have purchased that product will what can I only a person who has purchased that product can give a review. Okay, so now, and there will be an admin. Yeah, I would be creating an admin page as well. So the admin will handle all the, what do you say? Let's see if it's worked now. It works now. Yeah, it's working. Great, man. Great. There's a delay, but delay doesn't matter. So buyer can give a review, and admin will look for purchases. They would be able to create, delete the users. Delete users, and then what can an admin? An admin can view all the reviews by an user. Okay, so this is my plan, and the sign up, this person would also be able to sign up, also be able to log in. Okay, that's it. A buyer just need to do this to them. Okay, we are ready with our main plan. Now, an important part. Now the second part. This is the part number 1. I'll save this. Can I export it? Export image. Yeah, okay. But use dark mode, buddy. Dark mode are better. Okay. I'll use the desktop. I'll create a new folder. E-commerce. What to name? TLBC commerce. No. Sell bell. Seller. Teller. Teller. Shopify. No, Shopify is then already on the website. What should I name? If there's anyone, he can. If my viewer tell me a name, I'll keep it. Keep that. So tell me a name so that I can use it. I can name my website that. Okay. What should I name my website? Tell me. Come on. Let's go. Buddy. Is there anyone? Don't think so. There is anyone. What should I name? What should I name? What should I name? Till then, I'll just plan number 1. Plan 1. Yo, plan 1 is ready. Just escape. Reset this canvas. I hope so the images has been saved. Open it. And plan number 1. Oh my god, this image is a little bit weird. Should rename it to PNG. PNH? No. Nice. So I'm able to hear. I'm able to see, buddy. What are you telling, buddy? I'm able to see. Check. Yo man, ChatGPT man, you're my bro, buddy. You have solved the problem. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So much, buddy. Thank you so much. Let's go to plan number 2. This is plan number 2, and what we are going to do in this. Let's see. Now we'll only use Node.js. Okay. Node.js and Postman. We will be creating RESTful APIs. Okay. What I have knowledge of REST is there is no state. In RESTful API, there are no states. The only request and response is let's go. So we will be using cookies rather than sessions. Okay. One of the most important thing. But let me see my do. Let's see rather than sessions. Okay. One of the most important thing. But let me see my do. Yo, nice. Cool. Darmi cool hai, chutti hai, garmi cool. Darmi cool. Let's go. So we would be using Node.js plus Postman for our API creation and stuff. Now what's gonna be planned? So first we will talk about sign up. You know, in an organization, this thing happens between a lot of people, a lot of developers, and here I'm sitting alone because I've completed my graduation. I'm a fresher with a lot of knowledge. I don't know why I got this knowledge, only because I'm interested. I'm interested in this field. That's why I got so much knowledge. But it's okay. I'm enough for my organization. Still, the organization name should नामकरण करना है, but it's okay. कर देंगे. We'll keep the name of our organization, and the name will be chosen by my family. My family, the Lazy Busy Coders family. Okay, YouTube family. Let's go. So if we talk about sign up, there will be 2 types of sign ups. One for the seller. Second for the What do you say? Who is the seller? Who is the buyer? Seller and a buyer. Okay, there will be different pages. So we talk about seller sign up for one. What all things we are gonna require? One, a nice profile picture. Profile picture, buddy. Profile picture. Okay, profile picture. Then a name. No, let's go first. Let's take his email. Email. Okay, then we need a password for sign up. Okay, then we need his name. No, name. Contact. Seller's contact. Okay, and then what all things we need? Contact. Then what else we need of a seller? Email, password, contact, name. Name of the seller. Okay, name of the seller, email, password, contact, name of the seller, and what else we need? His roll number, his college name. We don't need extra stuff. There's a seller, he would be selling some product. So in future, something bad happens because of his product, we need to contact him. That's why we need his valid address. And this address will be generated by, not generated, he will give his address by himself. We need his name. In the name, it will be full name of his full name. Now what else we need? Email, password, contact, name, address, and what else we need? It would be great if there were some people watching the stream and helping me. There are no one, and I am alone here. It's okay, not an issue. I hope in future we'll grow. I'll grow. Okay. Contact, name, address. Ouch! I was just stretching my back, after 23 minutes of hardcore leg workout. Now I'm stretching my back. So email, password, contact, name, and address. What do we need? Come on, think. Come on, think. His profile picture, and I think that's it. We just need this thing of the first category. Second category is of bio. I've named it, buddy. Yeah, I've named it. Okay. So second category is bio. So we need a profile picture. In a profile picture, we need a name, buddy. Name, email, and then password. And we will hash this password. Okay. Passwords will be stored as hash. End-to-end encryption. Okay. Name, email, password. Do we need contact? Yeah. We need contact, we need address. Then what's the difference between this and this? It's the same. It's a little weird. Now what to do? This thing is a little weird. Like this is same as this. So what we can do is we can collect this data and then store it in different tables. This person will not have this person will not be able to see the products or no. Only this person will be able to see the product. I don't think we should take his address and the time of sign up. Nor his contact. Because when we buy something, then we will ask him his contact and all that stuff. Okay, so this is user 1, this is user 2. We need these things. We need 2 sign up and 2 different names. We don't need 2 different login page. We just need one login page and it will be redirected to the. So this is our plan number 2 for login and sign up. I'll save it. Dark mode, birdie, dark mode, birdie, dark mode, birdie. Not all files. PNG. Plan number 2. Plan2.png. So, anyone here? Is anyone ready to give me a name for my product, for my for this organization? Anyone there? There is no one. Yo man, it's working, buddy. No, it's not working. Oh yeah, it's working. Chat got updated. Nice to see that. Nice to see that. Yo, let's go. Let's just reset this Canva and go to plan number 3. There would be a lot of planning, buddy. This video is only for planning. This 1 hour I will plan a lot. Why I'm gonna plan it? Because I'm gonna create it the bestest possible, and it would be responsive. I would be using I would not use Tailwind CSS. I'm just fed up of it. No, I'm not fed up. Like it's really nice. It doesn't hide a lot of things. But Bootstrap, I would be using Bootstrap technology. But technology part will come later. First of all, I just want to see if plan number 3. So it would be related to. I don't want to I'll just type here. Plan number 3 is related to. What do you say? Plan number 3 is related to the account creation of the. No, we are done with login, sign up, and other things. Now, what do you say? We just need to plan the adding of the products offers. Adding of the products. Okay, adding of the products. How will it be done? So what all details we need? We need 1, 2, 3. No, not 3. We need what I've done. I'm a stupid person. We need n number of images of the product, not n. Minimum 2. It's not. There is no control Z. So minimum 2 images, maximum 5 images. Okay, 5 images of the products, maximum 5 images of the product. Title, then description, then what all things you need? Title, description, and what else we need? Price, bro. You forgot the price. You are just. We need the price. I'm so excited now, but in this energy, I'm trying to hide that one thing that I want to show, that I've shown someone. I don't know why. Let's continue this journey. Because even if I share everything, there is people who gonna leave me. They're gonna hurt me. But I don't deserve it. I don't deserve. What I deserve, I get. I've accepted this. And I will move on in my life rather than holding for that one particular moment. Oh my God. Why I just started this thing? I was better in this coding thing. Let me go and drink some water and wash my face before it just starts before the candle melts. Just a second. Sorry for the delay. Yo, let's go, let's go. I'm back, buddy. I'm back. 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 I'm Beckham, David Beckham. Let's go. Yo. Hope so my voice is good. Check, check, check. Mic check 1 2 3. Hope so this chat is working. This chat is working. Working chat. Working. Oh yeah, it's working. Okay, let's go. Adding of the products, and another thing we need is dimension. And in it we will have length, width, and height. Okay, these things. Dimension, title, description, price, dimension, and what else we need of a product. There would be review. There would be a review section, but it will come afterwards. This all things will be needed when a seller adds his product on the web page. Okay. I think this is enough for end product details. This is plan number 3 and plan number 4. Plan number 4. Okay. Reviews. Reviews. Let's go. Let's go. Reviews. Okay, let's go. Reviews. So we'll talk about the reviews. Ouch. I got hurt, buddy. I got it. So let's talk about reviews. So what's gonna there in review section? So review section will be having what it will be having. It's a long. It happens a long time. Like I'm working with Bootstrap. Last time I worked it on my college product. I think college project. I have to, do it again. I have to revise it and I have to do this product with Bootstrap. It will make my. I hope it makes my task easy because designing front end is a little bit too time consuming. It's not complex. It doesn't require. It requires some logic, but it's time consuming. And on the other hand, backend. If you talk about backend, there you need a lot of logic, and it's little less time consuming because of ChatGPT. Okay, if you talk about, please go to Amid if you would like to stop. No, thank you. It doesn't matter 50%, 50%. Okay, after it reaches 20% or 30%, I will charge my laptop. Okay, so don't notify me for some time. Just kidding, buddy. So if we talk about reviews, it's reviews given by what to say buyers who have purchased the product. So how a review would be written? There would be name of that buyer, then name of that buyer. We are not going to disclose the email, and the review, stars, and the review. Okay. A message, not review, a message. Does the review should have an image? What do you say? I think that review should have an image. Really? Do you all agree? Is there anyone? No, there's no one. It's me alone, creating my own e-commerce website. So, should the review section have images? For now, I think it should not have. No, it's not. Okay, so I'm done with the review section. Now, what's the fifth part? Fifth part of application is pineapple has been done. Product addition is admin. The hell admin. So admin will only have a secret key. Admin will have an email. ADMIN admin. add an admin. He will add an email. He will have an key. Secret key. What I'm talking, man. I'm just such a stupid person. Not a secret key, but an email or password. And there's no way to create an admin account. Okay. An admin account can only be created by another admin. Okay. So let's go. Now, what all things the admin will control is he would be able to see all the reviews created by users, and what else he will be able to see. He would be able to see. He would be able to add and remove products of the seller, and with a message that this product doesn't satisfy our terms and conditions. That's why we are removing it. And then if we talk about buyer, then buyer. Let's go. So that's it. This is plan number 3, 4, 5. And this is final planning, I guess. Now in plan number 6, we will be creating routes. We will be creating routes, theoretical routes. 1, plan 3, 4, 5. .png. I forgot to save as PNG. Okay. I'll reset this canvas. Now I will create an activity diagram, a simple diagram, not like how it should be for like how if you talk about a buyer. If you talk about buyer, what he'll do, he'll log in. Oh shit. What he'll do, he'll log in. How can he log in without signing up? Sign up. Okay. Then he will be login. He'll log in. He or she, yeah? He, she, they, them, that, whatever. There's no one watching. Only me. Okay. Let's go. He would get access to a search page. Okay. Then he can buy a product after searching. Then he can review. After buying, he can review. Okay. This is the life cycle of a buyer. Now, what I want to say is the purchasing thing and the purchasing thing will happen like magic, because I don't have access to the how it I don't know how it really works on the back end, because I have not completed my whole Node.js tutorial. I have completed some part of it, but soon I will be completing my Node.js tutorial. And currently my dopamine has been reduced. You know what I do when my dopamine is reduced? I just watches her profile picture and photo. I just watch and photo. Okay. Buy and review, and that's it. This is the life cycle of a buyer. If you talk about seller, and buyer can also update his profile. After login, he can also update profile. He will get access to his profile page. And he can update on the profile page. He can update his details. Update what details is that? He has so less detail. How it's so stupid to create a profile image. But he can update his profile picture, his name. No, how can a person update his name? No, he will not be able to update his name. He can only be able to update his password and profile picture. Okay. So this is the life cycle of a buyer completely. If we talk about seller, he sign up. Then he would be able to log in. Then after login, he would have two options. One's to add product. He would get access to products, or he would get access to profile. So he can, in the product section, he can add, delete, or update. And in the profile section, he can update his password, he can update his address, he can update his email, he can update his contact, everything, pretty much everything. Leaving his name. You cannot update his name. So here the life cycle of a seller. Login. You like that access to search page. Why? Okay. Still the app is not complete. Okay. There's a lot of things we'll be facing. Lot of things. So admin doesn't have to, sign up. He just have to log in. Then after login, he can do products things, or he can be user products, or he can do user thing. Now what he will be doing in the product things, he can remove products, or and in the user thing he can see reviews. You can create an admin, or he can remove user. Okay, this all things we can do. So here it is, our plan number 7. This is plan 7. So 6, and that's it. Enough planning for today, and we will be coding. Is it? We still have 9 minutes, so we will set up our project. Has anyone sent me a chat? No, so bad. It's okay. Let's go and just rename this thing. It's PNG buddy. And just rename this thing. PNG Jewelers. What's the full form of PNG? I've never noticed. PNG. PN Gadgil Jewelers Limited. Oh, the full form is Purushottam Narayan Gadgil Jewelers. Oh, nice. Oh, such a big name. It's from 1832. Okay, so do they have any photo or something? They don't have. So let's get back to our coding things. So I'm done with the plannings. Bros, are you there? Oh, there's no one. Let me check my screen quality, bro. Phone has been charged to 67%. Laptop has been charged for 43%. Let me check. 7%. Laptop has been charged for 43%. Check. 7%. Laptop has been charged for 43%. Check. So now it's not getting updated, man. Again, it stopped working. 7%. Let me check my screen quality, bro. Phone has been charged for 67%. Laptop has been charged for 43%. Okay. This window is not working again. This stops working, man. I don't know. So now it's not getting updated, man. Again, it stopped working. What to do now? What? Thank you, man. It's not working. What? Thank you. What should I do? the updating thing works, but the which this I think this thing is not working. This thing is working. I don't think it. I think the problem stays because of this. What I'll do is I'll just update. No, this is not getting blocked for anything. This is not getting blocked. I think the problem is with this thing. Whenever a chat comes, this function gets called. This function writes the data. I'll give him the code of what? Write data function. Oh. You are telling so much at GPT. You yourself optimize this. What happened, bro? The website got crashed. I'm so tired, bro. Oh, I should remove my phone from charging. What happened, buddy? Thinker isn't threads, right? We should avoid using the GPU for multiple things. I think he has reduced the amount of code I've written. Will it work? Let's see. We'll create window version window 2 dot py tie chai fly my chai py chai dai chai cls python window dot py. Oh no, window dot py. I'm sorry. No window dot py. Window 2. I'm so hungry, man. There's no food. Okay, great. Bro, ChatGPT is doing some mischief thing, huh? Is he stupid? Why cannot he do it in one file? Yeah? It's so ridiculous. Just ridiculous. Oh, we can give arguments. Thank you. What was that? No, no, no. I'll give arguments, bro. This was so necessary for me. So necessary, bro. But where's the chat object? Bro, I think he has changed a lot of things. Where's this chat object? Bro, he has removed the chat object. Where's this chat buffer thing? Oh, it's to find you. Then where's the chat thing? Why isn't it matching the whole thing? So I think I just have to copy the chat thing. There's a chat code. Chat code. Chat code. This thing. I just have to add this. I think I should run it. Let's see. I'll do two things, CLS and okay, so where is the window? I can't see the window. I was not able to see the window, but chat came. Okay, this is weird. ChatGPT, the code that ChatGPT gave me is just some stupid code. I'm so done with this now. I tried my best, but I keep failing. Cause in the end, it doesn't even matter. One thing, I don't know why everything I left is. Let's just connect my laptop to charging. 1, 2, 3, go. And the voltage drops. For some time it's working. Yeah. The best thing I can do is I think so. I'll just delete it. The best thing I can do is I should just add a time.sleep here. I'll just add in time.sleep. Is it because it's global or shit something? I'll just add. Whenever it receives on chat, I'll just wait for like 5 seconds. What if I don't do this? I'm not getting the option of. Oh, this thing is so dangerous. What I get. Okay. Where was I? Yeah, we would be starting creating our. Isn't it best AI? Amazon Code Whisper. ChatGPT. Nice. Amazon Code Whisper. What is this? Is it this? Code Whisper. Let's see. I'll use ChatGPT for now. What I'll do is, I just close this fan. Just a second, bro. Just a 2 minutes break for drinking some water. Yo, buddy, let's go. I'm so tired. I'm so unfit. This is because of my exercise. But it's okay. For the world, it would be an excuse not to code, not to do hard work. It doesn't matter. The world's opinion is the world's opinion. What I am facing is what I am facing. It doesn't matter. I'm not doing it that world would, well, the world's opinion, but I'm doing it for myself, man. I love coding. Let's get started. Let's continue. So what I'll do is, what should I do? Yeah. I should now, because people didn't give me any advice. I'll keep my website name on my own. So what I'll name it? I'll store. Yeah, I'll store. Store. I named my website and store. Let's set up everything here. So what do we need? We need an app.js file, app.js, which will be our main file. Okay. We would be using Express and things. So what other files we need? Well, we would be using EJS. No, this would be a RESTful API thing. So I won't be using EJS or something, some kind of shits. We should open it in VS Code. npm init. So the project name would be Elstro. Hello, hi bro. Welcome to the stream. Thank you so much for watching. So in this video, I would be creating, like in this live stream, what I'm doing is I'm just creating an e-commerce website using ReactJS and Node.js. So here I'm setting up the Node.js thing. So what I planned is, hi bro, hi, welcome to the stream bro. There are 2 people, nice. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Yo, let's go. So what I was doing is I was creating an e-commerce website using Node.js and ReactJS. I will use it in future. Currently, I'm planning to build the backend of this website. And this website would be like RESTful APIs. So there would be no connection between the backend and the front end. Like the backend or the front end would not depend on backend, which they both are completely separated. So let's go. I was just creating my Node.js projects. Okay, so I named it. Before I asked like the people what to name my project. There was no one, so I named it the Elstore. Okay. Version would be 1.0.1. Description a simple. Okay. 90.app.js. Okay. Test command, nothing. Git repository, we will do it in future. Keywords, no. Author will be the lazy, buzzy coder. Not buzzy, it's busy. Yo. License, no license, yes. So here we are done with the setup thing. And now we need the npm packages. So what I would be using is npm express, and then what database to use? Should I use MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, or anything else? So I think I'll use MySQL because I have XAMPP in my PC. Yeah, I have XAMPP, so I would use MySQL. Let's just set up this thing. Okay. So people who are watching my Vidya and trading. So do you have any questions like related to coding? I can answer. I've completed my 3 years computer science degree 4 days back, 3-4 days back, and now I'm building my skills because this is May month and my family is forcefully taking me, like we are planning to go on vacations, so I'm not doing any job, nor I'm applying. But after I come back from vacations, I will be doing coding jobs in IT or some fields. Okay, so feel free to ask me questions about coding, my experience in, and my degree is BSc Computer Science. I'm from Pune. So if you want any suggestions for your future, like basically you can just talk with me. Okay, anything will do. Whatever you feel like, you can speak to me. Okay, I can help you with the knowledges that I have. Okay, so acquire. Okay. So this window you can see I have created with Python, using Python. What it does is any live chat I get, so you're learning mean stack, MERN stack. So it basically means Mongo, Express, React, and Node. So I'm on the same path, buddy. I'm also just I've finished learning. I'm right now doing Express and Node, and I know I've completed React.js course from Udemy. Okay, so I'm on the same path. For some reason, this window is not working. So I'm on the same path, and what I'm doing is I'm building projects so that I can showcase it to the people who hire. Okay, I'll showcase it on my website, on my resume. So I will be just building projects after I finish, and like I'm doing Node.js course on Udemy, and as well as I'm just building projects. Okay, learning and making projects. This thing I'm doing. After that, after this thing, yo. So after this, what I will be doing is if I will be finding jobs. Okay, I will be finding jobs, and if I get job in any of the IT field related to coding, I'll continue. Otherwise, what I will do is I'll join some whatever job I get, I'll join it, and side by side I would be I'll be learning new skills, like different skills that I have, and after that I'll keep on applying in IT. If I get, well and good, and I don't know about tomorrow. So this is my plan. If I get job in IT, there are various fields, man. You know, like web development is something I feel that it's the basic. Like 5-10 years ago, my qualifications, I have completed BSc in computer science. So, really kind, sir. Yo, so I have completed BSc computer science. Yo, thank you so much, Joel, bro. I've completed BSc computer science from Christ College, Pune. I just finished my exam 5-4 days ago. I've completed, bro. It's done. It was 3 years of course, and I'm done with it. But honest review of that course, I've learned nothing from that course. I just got to know some things like Spring Boot or etc. and some basic thing, but the course doesn't help a lot. And in our college there was no placements, nothing. So I have to do it on my own, I think. Trading tricks. Tell me something about you, buddy. Which year are you in? This window is useless, bro. No worries, I'll just reset it. Trading tricks. Tell me something about you, bro. Till then, you tell me something. I'll just continue with the setup of Node.js. So I use ChatGPT a lot. I don't store anything in my brain. But storing is not good. There are 2 people watching. Trading tricks. I think he has gone. Okay. No worries. Let's go. So whatever. Give me a setup. Set Appu. I don't want these things, bro. I just want. What is this? What? Express, bro. I'm so sorry, Express. I would be using Express. Is this working? Check. This window should work. Yeah, it's working. Cool. Okay, I've done it. This is computer science pass out 2022. Oh my god. You're bigger than me, bro. Dangerous. So, what have you done so far? And how was your experience regarding your college and your course? Mine was too dangerous. Mine experience is the worst. Not the for me, it's just not good. God, your trading tricks, bro. You are big. What are you doing so far? Like, what are your what all things you did up till now? Oh, MCA. Good, bro. My view regarding higher education is dangerous because I think, like, if I will do higher education, I'll do it with a very from a college that is well known and a college that will give me placements. Till I don't find that type of college, I have to just work. And even if I do my higher studies, my current condition will not allow me to do it. I have to do jobs. I have to earn money. Otherwise, I would be called what do you call? बेरोजगार, लापरवाह, आयता खाने वाला इंसान. Yeah, I would be called this. So I have to do jobs, I have to earn money, and whatever I do, I have to do it on my own. So this is my view about higher studies. MCA. Oh, great, buddy. All the best. Best of luck for your whatever path you choose. May best come to you. Okay. So just create this route. Yes, bro. Yo. I'm from Pune. And you, bro? Where are you from? Yo, let's just continue with these things. Where are you from, bro? Jalgaon, but right now in Pune. Oh, you are also in Pune. Nice. Great. So you are living in PG? CG. Oh, nice. I've never heard of this place, Islapur. But I think it might be great. Let's search on Google. Let's go. Whenever we find something new, we should always reach out. Okay. Chhattisgarh. Oh. Reading. Best theme. What theme I use, bro? Like, I use dark mode and I use some. It depends. Sometimes I use one Monokai, this one. Otherwise, I just use the default this theme, dark modern, or Monokai dim, or Nighter. So most of the time, I use one Monokai. Okay, this one, because it's easy for eyes. It doesn't hurt a lot. So I use this thing. And if we talk about theme, I want to give you an information that I have is when to use light theme and when to use dark theme. Okay, I think this is very important. So if your surrounding has a lot of light, you go for light theme, dimmed light theme. And if your surrounding has very less light and you are sitting in a dark room, you should use dark mode. Okay. So this theme I use one monochrome, and sometimes I use this dark theme, which also great. But for me, this one is also good, and the best one is this. React, bro. React is so. You want to see my React projects that I've created? So this is my portfolio. This is my portfolio which I've created with ReactJS. This is a simple website, ReactJS and Tailwind CSS. Okay, I use Tailwind for learning purposes, and I've created this. It's a kind of simple project, but simple thing. And here are also some of my projects. This is not responsive project, just I've created. This is my GitHub profile. If you want to visit, you can get some code from there. And this thing. Yeah. This is also, I've created this project using ReactJS and Bootstrap. This project was a part of like a person told me to create this project, and then for job, for internship, and then he disappeared. Dangerous. Nice, bro. Let's go. Let's get back to coding. So here we are with our basic Express. Let's continue. I'll do node app.js. The server will start running on the port 3000. Let's go. So Express, let's go. Now, yeah. So my main goal of this project will be to create a RESTful project. Okay, RESTful. So my this should not have any states in it. So I would be using cookies. I've planned it. Okay, so let's begin with the planning. So these are my plannings that I've created. Plan number one is about so this has routing. So there will be a home page. So no, the front end part will be done by ReactJS. So we are going to do it after we create the whole backend. Then we will start creating the front end. Okay. So currently what I'll do is I'll create the home page. Doesn't need a backend. It's just a simple. Yo. So thank you so much, bro. So what I'll do is we'll start creating. What should we start? Where should we start? From login and sign up of buyer. And if I repeat this. Bro, you tell me, should I use React plus Node or just Node.js for this project, for this e-commerce website? Because if I use React and Node, then the Node server, the Node thing, the backend thing has to be RESTful. The routing or all those things will be happening on the React side. And if I use only Node.js, then routing and all will happen on the Node.js side. What should I do? What do you want me to go with? Silence. Okay. So what should I do? What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? I think I should go with what I planned. React and Node. Okay. No worries. So there will be a route. This is index route. This will just do nothing. No RESTful APIs. Okay. And I don't want any get requests. I just want to post. Let's plan the route for login and sign up. Okay. So I'll just reset this canvas and plan for the login and sign up. So there is seller and then is buyer. So the login page, sign up seller. Oh, Next.js. I haven't studied it, bro. I'm so sorry. I haven't learned anything about it. I know that it's similar to ReactJS, but I haven't actually learned anything. So I cannot use it. Let's just, I'll create it with Node.js and React. First of all, I'll just create the backend so that even Android apps can use this backend if it wants. So let's go. So seller will have seller sign up. Then there would be a table, sign up table. And seller will have a login seller. Login will be common between seller and buyer. Okay, so here from here they will be redirected. No, not redirected. They will get cookies accordingly. Buyer will get his cookie, seller will get his cookie. Okay. Oh, okay. Seller and buyer. Seller table, buyer table, sign up, and then we can log in with the cookie. Nice. Then after getting the cookie, the seller will have access to a products page where he can add products. Yeah, let's just complete this basic part of sign up and login, or buyer and seller. So we will not use browser for our development. We will use Postman. We will be using Postman. Okay, I'll just create a new collection. I'll update it later, bro. Let's go. Just name it. What should I name it? L-Store. How to rename? Yeah. I'll use this collection. You just create the first. Your fun, bro. Bye bye. It will be post requests, and then what I will be sending is to the route. The route is we send a get request argument. Let's see what it. Why? What happened? $3,000. I'm so sorry. That's all. It's working. Now, yeah, the most important thing, I don't have to restart this server again and again, so I will use Node 1. Yeah. After 10 p.m., bro, you know, I'm a morning person, so I sleep at 10 p.m. Like my whole family sleeps at 10 p.m. I cannot make sound so to disturb them. Like they go to work, that's why they have to wake up early. So that's why I cannot stream at night. It's okay. I'll try to stream from like 9 to 10, like that. I'll extend my stream time in the night. Okay, I'll try my best. Let's see what happens. Yo. So using NodeMon, I don't have to reload this server again and again for the changes. Yeah. So the post request for this will be sign up. Sign up. Select. Set. Okay. Sign up set. Right. Have to read data also. How do we read it? So these all things I don't store it in my brain. I just use ChatGPT for this. But I know everything, like this is used for reading the data and all that. Yeah. So with this, now the console will be logged once I send this request. And there would be just give a simple announcement. Why I cannot post it? So haven't the server reloaded? Oh, the request is different. The path is different. Sign up. What up? Underscore. Why underscore, buddy? There's no underscore. This should not be. Oh yeah. Now I should get the console log. Yeah, great. It's working. So normally we do like this. Name. It's okay. We'll get it like name. Okay, where was I? Yeah. Okay. So now also I have to use cookie. So I'll ask ChatGPT. Yes, bro. I use ChatGPT a lot. Like I just use like some things I can store it in my brain, but most of the thing it's better to use an ChatGPT like thing. It's very good to use it actually, rather than storing everything in our brain. Why to store if it's available on just typing it once? Saves a lot of time, because brain should be empty if you want to use a lot of logic in it from it. If we have a lot of memory in it, filled with memory, we cannot use it for logic. It becomes difficult. because brain is trained for memory stuff. So we have to train our brain for logic stuff. Okay. A lot of talks. Now to use it, I just have to use this middleware. See, I know like something. I know like it's not completely new to me. You know, in my college, in my third year, okay, I was creating a lot of projects of BCA people. Okay, I don't know why the teacher one like most of the teachers know that I'm a good coder. So one day a teacher called me from BCA and she told me to help a lot of people. They were having Node.js in their syllabus and they have to create a project. So what happened is suddenly the teacher told me to do this and I agreed to do it. And I like there was a lot of people wanted me to build their projects. Some had their front ends and most of them was not having back ends. Okay, they were just having front end. So I have to build the whole back end from scratch to all of them. So it was dangerous for me, you know. But you know, I met a lot of people. That was my reward. I talked to a lot of people and that was my reward. And it was a great experience. Like, you know, like I learned a lot from it. And that was the best part of it. Even though I have to spend a lot of time. It's okay. I love that thing. So let's use cookie. First of all, you know, I have to validate and all that stuff. I have to do validation and all that thing in this for signing up seller. I would be needing what I would be needing. Yeah, contact, email, address, name, password, and yeah, these details. I need to validate this thing, and validation will happen in the front end in ReactJS. Validation will be happening in the front end. It doesn't make any difference. I'll create routes for validating that. Then what should I do now is once I get the data which I get from here will be validated and will be pure. Okay, and this route is only for that thing. So I'll get this detail. What is that? Email, password, contact, name. Yes, I'll get this thing. This is valid data. Like I will check before and only I will check by another route that if this data already exists in the database, and this is pure data, validated data, which I will insert in database. So let's use MySQL for this. Oh, I forgot this. I have to use this function to set cookie. By this function, I have to set cookie. And to access cookie, I just need this. Why I'm doing this is I just wanted to remember what I have to do. I'm just storing this. Okay, cookies. Okay, I remember this. Short-term memory. Dot cookie. That's it. Let's see it afterwards. Okay. Now, yeah, we have to set up the database. I will use XAMPP. XAMPP has pre-installed MySQL, so I'll be using it. It also has PHPMyAdmin, which makes the things more easier. So now it's working. Oh, I'm sorry. Then what I have to do is I just have to import it. No, see, I just have to type this thing, okay? Just one line, and I get everything that I wanted. You know, I have an idea. I got an idea now. Like I can create an software from which I can just type this line what I want, and after the algorithm executes, it will find this kind of data. We will do it in the later projects in the future. I'll just do this db.js. So I just have to update things here. Database host. Localhost, bro. Localhost. Username root. No password, and database. Database will be lstore. Let's go. Oh, why it's printing ID and all? I don't want this ID and all. I just want this stuff. Okay, great. And why we don't need this now. And to use it, okay. Like I prefer to do IT jobs, like in which I can code. And for currently, I'm more focused on web development, like ReactJS or Node.js thing. I have an experience in, like, in my college syllabus, there was a lot of things taught to us in our syllabus. Like, not taught, but there was things like with Python for data science, and then Java, Spring was basics, and JSP, Servlet. These all things I know. And I'm focused on web development, like React. I know it. I can create website. I can create front end with it, and I know Node, which I can use for backend. It is right. Okay. Okay. Like from 8 p.m. I should start live. Okay. Okay, I'll remember this, and from next time I'll start my live from 8. Probably before that only I'll start, and I'll keep live streaming till 10 o'clock max time. Okay. So I prefer jobs in coding, and the main focus is on web development. Okay. I have experience. I know a lot of things. You know, I know embedded systems. Manish bro. Live projects. Like, what does this live mean? Like, till now I've created. You are asking me how many projects I've created. So I've shown like this React project. I'll show you my college project. Okay. I'll show you all what I've created for my college. Okay? Just minimize these things. Where is that project? I have it on GitHub, so I don't have to, download it again and again. So this was my project, my college project. It was a simple project in which I have used. In which I have used Node.js, EJS, and Bootstrap. I'll just run it. What was the name? Okay. Before that, database is also connected. Nice, because I have started this. Great. Yeah. let's go on the local host. So this was my college project, a simple project which I created. So I've used Bootstrap and Node.js and EJS. Okay. So it is all about like two people, provider and finder. So a provider can provide a service which a finders want, like for example, a carpenter. For me, Tailwind CSS is better. Like my personal opinion. You know why? Because Bootstrap is good, but it's far more ahead of CSS. Okay, using Bootstrap, you will not learn CSS. You will just use their code, their words. And using Tailwind CSS, you are much closer to CSS, the actual CSS. It doesn't go beyond it. For example, like Bootstrap is good for creating components, and Tailwind CSS is best for creating your own components from scratch. Like they're using Bootstrap. This is my experience. Okay, I'm talking about. I'm not talking about others. I'm talking about my experience. So using Bootstrap, I was not able to, modify the code according to my convenience. I used to. We have to stick towards it. But there are plus point of Bootstrap also, like it makes our application more simpler, and it takes less time to create application with Bootstrap as compared to Tailwind CSS. But for my opinion, Tailwind CSS is better, and I've created my portfolio using Tailwind. This is also responsive. Okay. This is also responsive. Okay. And my portfolio, this is also responsive. But for this website, I don't have to do a lot of things, And this functionality, it comes by default with Bootstrap. If I want to build it on Tailwind, I have to do it manually. So for me, that's why this was the differentiation. But at the end, I like Tailwind CSS. My personal opinion, okay? Okay, so let's continue. This was my project, provider and finder. For example, like some carpenter is there. He does some service in a particular area. So now, okay, I'll explain it with the diagram. So for example, this is an area. Here carpenter exists, and here finder exists, like a person who needs some things to do. So what traditionally we do, we call some of our relatives or some contact. We ask them which carpenter is best, etc., etc. Can you give me a number of a carpenter? Then he gives me a number. Then we call it. But my website, my project, what it does is this person has a profile on my website. This is an hypothetical situation. Okay, this is not a live project. It's just a simple project. So it just the finder will guess the contact from my website. You just have to visit. He'll get all the details of all the carpenters in his area. Okay, directly. So this is my project all about. So what he has to do is just create an account. If he is a provider, he needs to fill these details, username, and I've created, like this, like on Insta, how you can, that username. If I enter a duplicate username, it shows me not valid. I think the database doesn't have a. I'll just create a new username, new user. Password will be. So this thing I've added. This was more focused on front end side. Service which I provide is web developer, a simple web developer. So here you can input the area in which you provide your service. Okay, and a contact. So after all the validation, you get this sign up successful message. Then you can log in as a provider. That same password. And on this page, this was a simple project, but it has all front end as well as back end. So here from this page you can edit some of the details that you want, etc., etc., and submit it. Another one was for the finder. So see, username already exists. So this is all about my. So what I'll do is I'll just log in as in finder and show you what the finders have. So finders have this search page, access to the search page in which they can search for different services. Okay. For example, I want to search. So here comes details of some web developer. Okay, and he can filter out according to area. Area wise, he can filter out. Okay, like there is no person available in Baner. This person is available. So this was all about my project. This project is was my college project. Okay, hope you understand something. Other projects, you can visit my portfolio. This is my portfolio. Here I have some projects that I've created, and GitHub has the projects that I cannot host. So this blog overview is also one of the projects which I created using React and Bootstrap. It's a simple project. It's just in front end. This clone which I created using ReactJS and I don't remember, but I think Bootstrap. Okay, I created this, but it's not responsive. I just stopped working on this because it was taking a lot of time. So this is not responsive, but you know, it's there. This was my first project that I created. Simple stopwatch, you know. And then this study point. This I haven't used ReactJS in this. I have just used Bootstrap and HTML and JavaScript. This was one of my projects. This is also incomplete project, one of an incomplete project. So these are all of my projects that I've created. I use Node.js. Okay. I've you know. Okay, dangerous thing. Okay. And you can to put for your hand chicken. For using that, I need to learn it. I think I've never used it, you know. I've never learned it. After I learned ReactJS, then Node, suddenly moving towards new technologies, like it will take some time, but you know, once I complete this e-commerce website now, I'll learn Next.js because I cannot stick to React and I can earn a lot of money. So I'll learn it Next.js after some time. For some reason, this app is crashing. Why, I don't know. Okay, let's continue with our project. Like this, where was I? I was using ChatGPT to create the connection, code operations, and whenever I want to use database, I need this code now. Yeah, I don't think I need routers for RESTful APIs. I just need some. Let's see in future what happens. Okay, let's go. I'll close my live stream now. We'll work on this project in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Bye bye, friends. Bye bye. Bye bye.